Ever split a dinner bill with friends and gotten stuck with the "I forgot my wallet" crowd? Or maybe you're a freelancer who needs a way to collect payments quickly and easily. That's where Venmo comes in, a popular money transfer app known for its social features and ease of use. But what if you're not a huge fan of traditional banks? Can you still use Venmo to receive money without a bank account linked? Let's face it, bank accounts aren't for everyone. Maybe you're a teenager just starting to manage your own money, or perhaps you prefer alternative financial services. Whatever the reason, you shouldn't be locked out of convenient money transfer options. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of Venmo and explore if it can work for you, bank account or not. The beauty of receiving, how Venmo handles incoming cash. The good news is that yes, you can absolutely receive money on Venmo without a linked bank account. When someone sends you a payment, the funds simply sit in your Venmo balance. It's like having a digital wallet within the app. You can see the transaction history, keep track of your incoming and outgoing funds, and even add a fun emoji-filled comment, because, hey, that's part of the Venmo charm. But wait, there's a catch, isn't there always? While receiving money is a breeze, spending it or transferring it out of Venmo becomes a bit trickier without a bank account. Here's why. Limited spending power. You can use your Venmo balance to pay directly within certain online stores and apps that accept Venmo as a payment option. However, this isn't as widely available as you might think. The Venmo debit card, a potential savior, with limits. Venmo offers a debit card that you can apply for within the app. This card connects to your Venmo balance and allows you to make purchases at stores and ATMs, with some withdrawal fees to consider. It's definitely a step towards using your Venmo money in the real world, but keep in mind that applying for the debit card might require some additional verification steps, similar to opening a bank account. Beyond Venmo, exploring alternatives for the bank account free. If the limitations of using Venmo without a bank account leave you wanting more, don't worry. There are other options out there for secure and convenient money transfers. Cash App, similar to Venmo, Cash App allows you to receive and send money with a built-in debit card option. Zelle, this peer-to-peer transfer service is directly linked to your existing bank account, but it allows you to send and receive money from anyone else who has a bank account connected to Zelle. Money orders and prepaid cards. While not as flashy as apps, money orders and prepaid cards offer a physical way to receive and spend money without a bank account. The verdict, Venmo for the bank account free? It depends. Receiving money on Venmo without a bank account is definitely possible. But when it comes to using that money freely, your options become more restricted. Consider your financial habits and needs. If you mainly use Venmo for occasional money transfers with friends and can spend it directly within the app or with the Venmo debit card, it might work for you. However, if you need more flexibility and spending power, exploring alternative money transfer services or opening a bank account might be the better route. Ultimately, the choice is yours. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more explorations into the ever-evolving world of personal finance.